Hi guys, we are here at Burdad Street, Sampaloc, Manila. And we are here to present to you ang isa sa mga binibenta nating property, which is a 3-story townhouse with roof deck. Tara, silipin natin.
As you can see, this property is facing super wide road. Kaya naman wala kayong poproblemahin pagdating sa paglabas-pasok ng inyong mga sasakyan.
Our property has its own 1-car garage. Kasyang-kasya, maging malalaking sasakyan. Pagpasok natin sa unit ay makikita natin ang isang spacious living area at meron na rin itong sariling dining area, powder room, kitchen area, and additional service area na pwede nyo i-convert into laundry area. Tara, akit naman po tayo sa second floor. Pagdating natin sa second floor ay bubungad sa atin ang isa pang additional receiving area. Dito ay may sarili itong balcony at makikita natin dito ang isa sa mga bedroom. Meron na rin itong sariling toilet and bath for easy access. Pag-akit naman natin sa third floor ay bubungad sa atin ang dalawa pang bedrooms. Bawat rooms ay may sarili ring toilet and bath. Lastly, ang isa sa mga highlights ng ating property ay ang sarili nitong roof deck. Pwedeng gamitin sa mga family gatherings at iba pang events. Interested to view this property? Don't hesitate to connect with me. Again, this is your walking ahente ma'am, Jacqueline Scote Pedrosa, at your service. And I'm your real estate salesperson under Filipino Homes in partnership with Everyone Dreams Home. Thank you for watching and see you on our next mini vlog. Bye!